In this video, we're going to be going over Carlson Civil and focusing on the Sitenet commands, how we can go in here and use Sitenet to organize our data and make it easy to flop between existing information and proposed design information, and then leaving other layers on other if we need to, and some of the advantages of doing it this way. So what we have a drawing here with all of our existing info, proposed info where we've created a model, and all the design features. So what we want to do to organize this is we can go into Sitenet. Now there's a couple ways to do it. We can go in and we can do set layer as and click, say if I click design here, it would ask me to select an example of the entities I would like to set to the design layer. So I could just click on a sample of each layer. Since I already know how this is labeled, I'm going to go ahead and do define layer surface materials. So right now everything is in other. So I know that all of my C information here is going to be my proposed. So I'm going to highlight all those. Just at a click, shift, click again to highlight multiple. Click design, and I'm going to move to design. Now the rest of it, I'm going to go to existing, and then if I make a mistake and I grab something that should be in design or other, I can always go back and just quickly move it back to the correct designation. So I'm going to select existing for the rest of it, and now I'm just going to hit save. That saves it in my drawings config files. So now I can hit exit. So what that allows us to do is we can go into Sitenet, and we have our display option. So I can say turn off display design. So sorry, turned off. There we go. Took a little lag there. So now I'm showing my design. Click that again, it turns it off. I can display existing layers, brings it all up. So now I can see that my surface is on the wrong layer. So it's tied to existing. So if I wanted to fix that, I could just do Sitenet, set target layer for design, grab my tri-mesh, just click one example of it, enter, and now that is sent to my design layer. So now I can pop back and forth between the two really quickly and work on it instead of going into my layer manager and turning off multiple layers to make it work. That's all there is for this one. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and we'll be glad to answer them as soon as we get to them. Thank you.